Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do some arithmetic on boards and streams. We have already discussed 10 sums on boards and streams in our previous classes. Today we shall start from question number 11. And question number 11 is like this. The speed of a boat in still water is 15 km per hour. That is U. That is U. And the rate of current is 3 km per hour. That is V. U is equal to 15 km per hour. V is equal to, this is V is equal to 3 km per hour. Could understand? So speed the distance traveled downstream is 12 minutes is. So downstream speed in downstream is equal to speed in downstream is equal to what? U plus V is equal to how many? U plus V is equal to 15 plus 3 is equal to 18, right? Kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. So distance is asked. The distance traveled downstream in 12 minutes is 12 minutes. Could understand? In 60 minutes, the distance covered is what? 18 kilometer. In 1 minute, 18 upon 16. In 12 minutes into 12. Could understand? So 12, 5 the 5, 3 the 15, remainder is 3, decimal 30, 5, 6 the. So 3.6 kilometer per hour. Km per hour. Right answer is, tell me which is the right answer? Which is the right answer? You can't say. Number 1 is the right answer. Could understand? What did I say? Number
1 is the right answer.
Yeah, number 1 is the right answer. Just 1 minute. Could understand or not? Very easy. Isn't it? Or difficult? Tell me. Easy. Easy or difficult? Tell me. Easy. That is easy. Question number 11, this is right. Now let's move to the question number 12. Right? Speed of a boat in standing water is still water is 7 km per hour, and the speed of the stream is 1.5 km per hour. A distance of kilometer going after which is covered in distance of, question is wrong. Distance of how many? 7.7 kilometer. Distance of 7.7 kilometer, right? 7.7
kilometer.
7 kilometer, right? Time is asked. The speed of the boat in standing water is, that is still water, is 7. That is U is equal to how many? 7 km per hour. And the speed in current is, that is V, the speed of the stream is 1.5 kilometer per hour. Right? And relative speed in the upstream, relative speed in upstream is equal to relative speed in downstream means U plus V. Relative speed in upstream means U minus V. U minus V is equal to 7 minus 1.5 is equal to 5.5 kilometer per hour. Right? Per hour. The distance we are asked to calculate time. Could you understand? Time is equal to what? Distance is equal to, is given, distance is equal to 7.7 kilometer per hour. Speed is equal to 5.5 kilometer per hour. You know, per hour. So time is equal to what? Distance by speed is equal to distance 77 upon 5.5. Could understand? Could understand or not? Into 60. Converted it into minute, right? So 11 7 the 11 5 the 5 what 12 the is equal to 84. 84 means how many? 1 hour 24 minutes. Right? What is given? Right answer is number 3. Right? Could understand or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Number 3. Next one is 13. A boat travels upstream from B to A and downstream from A to B in 3 hours. Right? The speed of the boat in still water, the speed of the boat in still water is 9 km per hour and the speed of the current is 3 km per hour. Distance between A and B is asked. Distance is equal to what? Time into speed? Okay. Let the time taken downstream x time. Downstream time. Downstream. Let the downstream time is equal to x. And the upstream time is equal to 3x as per the question. Speed in downstream u plus v is equal to 9 plus 3 is equal to 12 km per hour. And speed in upstream is equal to u minus v is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 km per hour. Could understand? Distance is equal to, distance is equal to speed into time. Right? Could you understand? That means x into u plus v is equal to 3 minus x. Oh, that is upstream is not 3x. That is 3 minus x. Is equal to u minus v. Could you understand? Implies that x into 12 is equal to 3 minus x into 6. Implies that 12x is equal to 18 minus 6x. Implies that 12x plus 6x is equal to 18. Therefore, x is equal to 18 upon 18 is equal to 1 hour. 1 hour. Could you understand it? So downstream में 1 hour, upstream में downstream time is equal to 1 hour. Upstream time is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 hours. Could you understand? So distance is equal to means what? Speed into time. So 12 into 1 is equal to 12 kilometer, or 6 into 2 is equal to 12 kilometer. Could you understand? What is asked? So distance is asked. Distance is 12 kilometer. Which is correct? Tell me.
Number 4.
1, 2, 3. Number 4. What is given? Which number?
Number 13.
13. Oh, 6. How many? First 4, then 6, then 8. 8. Wait. 8. Wait. Number 4. That is 12. So which is the correct answer?
Number 4.
Number 4.
Yes.
Yeah, 12. Right? Number 4 is the correct answer. Right? Okay. Next one is 14. What did I say? Next one is 14. A man can row 6 km per hour in still water. If the river is running at 2 km per hour, it takes him 3 hours to row to a place and back. How far is the place? It is just like question number 13. You can do it. Okay. The right answer is, 14. The right answer is 8 km. Could you understand? 8 km. Okay, you will do it. Next one is question number 15. What did I say? Question number 15. The rate of the flow of river water is 4 km per hour. A boat goes 6 km back to starting point in 2 hours. So find the speed of the boat in still water. So distance is equal to distance. Look at the blackboard. Distance is equal to how many? Relative speed. Distance is equal to 6 km. Could you understand? 6 km. Time is equal to, time is equal to distance by speed. That means 6 upon u plus v and 6 upon u minus v. This is downstream, this is upstream. Downstream, yeah, upstream time. Could understand? As per question, 6 upon u plus v plus u plus 6 upon u minus v is equal to 2. Implies that, look at the blackboard, implies that 6 upon u plus 4 plus 6 upon u minus 4 is equal to 2. Implies that 6 into u minus 4 plus 6 into u plus 4 by u plus 4 into u minus 4 is equal to 2. Implies that 6u, look at the blackboard, minus 24 plus 6u plus 24 upon u square minus 4u plus 4u minus 16 is equal to 2. So, minus 24 plus 24 cancelled. Could you understand? Minus 4u plus 4u cancelled. The remainder is, what is that? 6 plus u square. Just 1 minute. (12u), that is 12u. (12u), 6u, 12u upon u square minus 16 is equal to 2. Implies that 2 1 that 2 6u that. Right. Implies that v square minus 16 is equal to 1 is equal to 6u. Right. Implies that u square minus 16 minus 6u is equal to 0. Okay, we shall do it. So implies that u square minus 8u plus 2u minus 16 is equal to 0. Implies that u into u minus 8 plus 2 into u minus 8 is equal to 0. therefore u is equal, therefore implies that u minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore u is equal to 8. Could understand? So u is equal to 8 and the correct answer is, which is the correct answer? 80 kilometer. Which number? Number 5?
15.
15. Number
2.
Number 2. So number 2 is the correct answer. Right? Okay, done. Next one. Question number 16. What did I? Question number 16. In a stream running at 2 km per hour, a motorboat goes 12 km upstream and back again to the starting point in the 2.5 hours. Find the speed of the motorboat in a still water. It is just like question number 15. I think you can do it. Could understand? Could understand or not? So answer is, right answer is, what is the right answer? 10 kilometer. Its right answer is 10 kilometer. That is question number 3. You will do it at your home. Okay. Next one is 17. A man can row 45 kilometer. A man can row 45 kilometer. Can row 45 kilometer upstream and 60 kilometer downstream in 15 hours. Also, he can row 65 km upstream and 77 downstream in 20 hours. Find the speed of the man in still water and rate of the current. Could understand? So, as per the question, distance by, you know, speed of time. So, 45 upon u minus v plus 60 upon u plus v is equal to 15. Equation 1. Similarly, 65 upon u minus v plus 77 upon u plus v is equal to 20. This is equation 2. Could understand? So let 1 upon u minus v is equal to x and 1 upon u plus v is equal to y. That means 45 x plus 60 y is equal to 15, number 3. Similarly, 65x plus 77y is equal to 20, equation 4. Could understand? So we shall 7 into equation 3 and 6 into equation 4. Right? That is 7 into equation 3 and 6 into equation 4. That is 315x plus 462y is equal to 105. Similarly, what is that? 390x plus 462y, look at the blackboard, is equal to 120. Minus, the y cancelled. So remainder is minus 75x is equal to minus 15. Implies x is equal to minus 15 upon minus 75 is equal to 15. 1 the 15 5 the is equal to 1 by 5. Right? Minus cancelled. So x, when applied in equation 3, now let's apply it in equation 3. 3 is, what is 3? This is the 3, number 3. 45 into 1 upon 45x means 45 into 1 upon 5 plus 66y is equal to 15 is equal to 15. So 5 9 da, right? So 66y is equal to yes 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 is equal to 60 upon 66 is equal to 61 the 6 11 is equal to 1 upon 11. Could understand? Similarly, yes, we shall do here. So 1 upon u minus v is equal to 1 upon 5. So, and 1 upon u plus v is equal to 1 upon 11. That means implies that u minus v is equal to 5 and u plus v is equal to 11. Could understand? This is u. Cancelled 2u implies that 2u is equal to 16. Therefore, u is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 80 km. Similarly, u plus v, that is just 1 minute. U plus v is equal to 11. Implies that u plus 8 is equal to 11 implies that u is equal to 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. So, 80 kilometer and 10 kilometer per hour, which is the correct answer? Tell me.
Number 1.
Number 1 is the correct answer. Could understand? Number 1 is the correct answer. With this, again, there is another question. Let's have a look at it. Okay. Have a look at it. Just 1 minute. If we do not erase it, it will come again. Right? Which is the correct answer? This one is the correct answer?
Yes.
Yes. So, yes. Now let's move with question number 18. A man can row 60 km upstream and 80 km downstream in 20 hours. Also, he can row 80 km upstream and 110 kilometer, that is kilometer, wait, kilometer downstream in 26 hours. Find the speed of the man in the still water and the rate of the current. It is just like question number 17. You will do it. The right answer is, what is the right answer?
Number 3.
Number 3. What is that? 80 kilometer and 3 kilometer. Could understand?
Same answer.
Same answer. Right? So, with this, that is the end of today's. Again, another is also. Okay. With this, that is the end of today's math class. We shall discuss the other maths in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.
What did I say?
It's okay.